Hi, my name is Urad RS. I'm an artist and a curator based in Australia. I'm currently doing my PhD in fine art at the Australian National University.
My name is 𝗥𝗲𝗄𝗏 𝗥𝗲𝗡𝗏. I come from Tucumán, Argentina, and I study literature and linguistics.
I am Joseph Mesner, and I am from Idaho in the United States of America. I just graduated from Boise State University with a degree in finance.
My name is Antonia Stark, and I'm from Oakland, California, in the United States. I just graduated college where I studied political science, business, and law.
During my time in Slovenia, I'm making some artworks and I have an exhibition in Maribor.
For my internship, my mentor and I decided to deepen the topic of language attitudes and the use of Slovene in the Slovenian community in Tucumán.
During my time in Slovenia, I will be researching and comparing asylum-seeking policies in the United States, Slovenia, and the EU as a whole.
My grandparents on my mother's side are Slovenian. They arrived to Argentina in the 50s, and in the 70s they moved to Tucumán.
We would always visit my grandmother in her house, where she would cook many traditional dishes, and she would share her culture and her language through food.
My family's heritage and history has always been important in my life. With my dad's first language being Slovenian and most of our family still living here, we've always tried to remember where we came from.
My grandparents have lots of pictures and letters that they have sent and received from family in Slovenia.
They always spoke about Slovenia like a paradise, a gorgeous and breathtaking country.
One of my fondest memories of her is a little photo of Bled that she had on her dressing table. It was wonderful very recently to be able to go back to Bled, to see the church and connect with her in that way.
This internship that ASEF offers is such a great opportunity to return to the land of my grandparents.
It's important to see where your heritage is from and where your values and ideas come from.
I'm already looking forward to coming back to Slovenia to see the places I've lived, visited, and made memories in, just like my family does when they come back.
This experience has been beautiful and so meaningful for me because it has influenced my identity and who I am.
As a member of ASEF, I hope to improve my Slovenian language skills, explore the beautiful country of Slovenia, and make lifelong friendships.